Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have the day off, so I'm going to do some homework this morning. I want to get some drawing done later as well, so I'll do that when I'm done with my studies. I didn't post last week because I was just overwhelmed with work. I've been feeling stressed this past year compared to last year. I think I was much more productive and was able to do a ton of things, and I haven't really felt like that this year. It's spring break right now, but I have exams right when I get back to uni, so I need to spend my days off to study when I'm not working. I'm working quite a bit this week, but not having classes makes more time for studying and making art. I'm a business accounting student, so I have to memorize a lot of things. I like to take notes because it helps me to remember things better. I took a really long time doing my homework. I took my time and I was working at a really slow pace, so I started drawing pretty late. I didn't spend too much time on my Webtoon today, but that's okay. Although my progress is very slow, I finally finished episode 14, which I have been working on for at least 2 months. That's actually really terrible because it usually only takes me 1 month and maybe a half to finish one episode. But considering that I've been having an art block and serious lack of motivation, I'm really proud of myself for getting that done. I'm also really happy with how it turned out, and I am super excited for you guys to read episode 14 when I finally upload it in a few months. Over the weekend, I did all of the thumbnailing for episode 15, and I split it all up into their own separate comic strips, which is amazing. So now I am doing a little bit of line art for the first part of episode 15. My progress is still slow, and I'm still a little uncertain about my art style, but I'm getting better and feeling a little bit happier about my Webtoon. This video was just a little update on where I am with my Webtoon and what I've been up to this week. I'm going to continue to work on myself, my studies, and my art. I hope you guys are all doing well and that you're taking care of yourselves as well. That is all I have for you guys this week. If you guys enjoyed this week's video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next week.